Parsvottanasana, pyramid pose, my variation. You'll begin at the top of the mat and you can step your left foot back. Now the distance between the legs in this case doesn't need to be any longer than the distance of one of your own legs apart, but I would even take a slightly narrower stance so that you're not, again, forcing this really long sort of hypermobile pose. My pose variations tend to revolve around strength rather than hypermobility. Unlock the first knee by putting a slight bend in it in an effort to dig the front heel into the ground, trying to slide it back towards the back leg, except for your mat is sticky and your foot doesn't go anywhere. You just feel the back of your leg firing up. Lift through the heart, tuck the chin, allow for the natural curvature of the spine. Take the hands to heart center for this variation, although you could take any variation that you like, including arms behind the back. Any of those are acceptable. You'll maintain a neutral spine rather than bending at the spine because we are not trying to reach for the floor. There's nothing down there for you. We're trying to strengthen the muscles of the back and the back of the hips as well. So you'll start here, you'll take a breath in, and when you exhale, you'll lean the heart forward a little bit, and allow the hips to shift a little bit backwards. And you'll take another breath in, and you allow the heart to move gently down a little bit as the hips move a little bit backwards. If you had tail feathers, you would be lifting your tail feathers up behind you. The point is to maintain the natural lordosis of the lumbar spine, the natural curvature of your lumbar spine, that's your low back. And then you stay here. And this is your pose. You breathe for as many breaths as you'd like, typically around 5 full, slow breaths through the nose. And then when you're ready to exit the pose, you inhale to rise back up and step the foot forward and repeat on the other side. As a reminder, we are not folding forward to touch the floor. We are not bending through the spine. Not because that's a bad thing, but because we are specifically trying to strengthen the back side of the body in this variation. Thank you for watching.